Troopers, it's truly Tayshawn, and today we will be making chicken with spinach and spaghetti squash. So I did not show you guys how I prepared my spaghetti squash, but I'll just tell you it's very simple. Basically, I cut my spaghetti squash in half. I put it in a shallow pan in the oven on 300 for about 25 minutes, and I did line the pan with a little bit of water just so that my spaghetti squash wouldn't really get burned or dry out. So now that the spaghetti squash is done, I am of course using a oven mitt because it's very hot to scoop out the spaghetti squash, and as you can see it looks exactly like spaghetti, and I'm just scooping that into a 9-inch baking pan. Next, I am going to add a little bit of butter to taste. That's optional. You don't have to use butter, but I just choose to. And I am going to sprinkle a little bit of Morton's light salt to taste. Also, I'm going to add a little black pepper for flavoring. Now I am going to put a handful or two of spinach. I love spinach. Those of you who watch my videos, you guys know I love spinach. I can eat spinach with almost anything. Now I prepared some chicken previously. This is the Tyson's chicken strips, and I just sauteed it with some mushrooms and onions. Please excuse my pot. Now you want to just scoop the chicken and onions while it's very hot on top of the spinach. Now this is my favorite part of making this meal. I love cheese and mozzarella cheese at that. So I'm just using a little bit of low fat just to sprinkle on top. This is what's going to make the meal stick together, because if you don't put any cheese on top, then you'll just be baking the chicken with the spinach and it won't stick together. It should look something like this before you place it into the oven. Okay, so I placed it in the oven for 20 minutes on 300, and here is my final product. Guys, it is so yummy, so delicious. If you try this meal, please drop a comment below. Let me know how it turned out, and let me know what you want to see next. And guys, you guys know already that I am on a 1800 calorie diet, so this meal was absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching. Bye.